Super simple, super delicious, especially if you love chocolate. So take your chocolate cake, you can pre-make it, or you can buy it from the store. We're going to slice it into 3 segments. We're going to put some chocolate ganache in between each segment, spreading it very evenly. This is a great way of making a very simple chocolate cake look fantastic. Finally, coating it in chocolate ganache, all around the edges too. Nice thick layer there. Using a spatula to smooth it all out. Now, get some melted dark chocolate and pour it onto some baking paper. We're going to spread that out with a knife. Put another piece of baking paper over the top of that, and with a rolling pin, we're going to just roll it up. Now remove the rolling pin carefully and let it rest. When it's set, we're going to unwrap it. And we have some wonderful curly chocolate pieces, and these are going to go around the edge of our cake. Now we're going to coat those chocolate pieces with some more melted chocolate. And you can never have too much chocolate, you know. Now, with a fork, we're going to create a log-like pattern over the top of our cake. Now, it's time to decorate. So we've made some mushroom shapes out of fondant icing. And some sugar, which has been coloured with green food colouring to look like moss. You can add a few flowers to that. Let's have a slice then. Absolutely delicious. Definitely one for the fairies.